In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate GoHighLevel with WhatsApp 2026. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have WhatsApp connected to your GoHighLevel account so you can manage conversations, automate follow-ups, and keep messaging inside one streamlined dashboard. Before we start, make sure you're working in the correct GoHighLevel sub-account and that you have the permissions to change settings. If something looks different on your screen, it might be due to user roles or a slightly updated interface, but the flow is the same. Start on your GoHighLevel dashboard and head to Settings. You'll typically find this as a gear icon on the lower left. Opening Settings brings you to the control center of your account, where you manage everything from users to pipelines. If you switch between multiple locations, double-check the location name at the top to ensure you're about to connect WhatsApp to the right place. If you don't see settings, you may need to ask an account admin for access. Inside Settings, choose Integrations. This page is where GoHighLevel connects with outside tools and channels, and it's also where you can confirm the status of existing connections. Take a moment to scan the list and note which integrations are already active so you know what's running in the background. If the page takes a second to load, give it a moment. Integrations often populate dynamically. Now, find WhatsApp and click Connect. This begins the secure authorization that links your WhatsApp business presence to GoHighLevel. Depending on your setup, you may be prompted to confirm your business details, select or verify a phone number, and accept messaging permissions. Follow the on-screen prompts and keep your business information consistent with what's on your WhatsApp business profile to help avoid verification hiccups. When the connection completes, you'll see a confirmation or a status indicator showing that WhatsApp is connected. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If the Connect button doesn't respond, refresh the page or temporarily disable any pop-up blockers that might prevent the authorization window from opening. If you're missing access to integrations or can't complete the connection, it's usually a permissions issue. Reach out to your account owner or admin. After connecting, give the system a minute to sync. If your WhatsApp number or display name looks off, return to your WhatsApp business settings to confirm details match your business identity. That's it. You navigated to Settings, opened Integrations, and connected WhatsApp. With the connection in place, you're ready to manage WhatsApp conversations directly within GoHighLevel and leverage that channel across your existing workflows. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.